Hey lovelies, please make the best liver dry fry with me. It's super easy and very, very delicious. So I have a kilo of liver right here. As you can see, I'm going to try to remove that outer skin. It's very important that you remove that outer skin so that your liver doesn't taste chewy. Otherwise, it will be very chewy and you'll keep spitting it out, which can be really irritating. So please try to remove that. It's not hard. It's very, very easy, as you can see. Now, thank you guys for your support. So if you are new here, you are really welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have not decided but you watch our videos, thank you so much. We appreciate all of you. May the good Lord bless you all. So you put your liver there. I've removed all the skin, so you put it aside in a bowl because we are going to add in milk. Now milk is going to help our liver. It takes away that weird smell and also that bitterness. If you don't do this, liver tends to be a bit of bitter at the end, like, you know, every bite tends to be a bit bitter. So please, you put it in milk and let it sit for at least 1 hour. If it's shorter than 1 hour, it's still going to have that. I don't know the magic trick in that. If you know, please explain, but you let it sit for 1 hour or more if you have time. So we are going to cut our ingredients. Now this liver, making it with this special white onion because it has crazy flavor and also it has a bite to it. It has like that crunchiness that it leaves, and I want a bit of that in the liver. I'm also going to add in some yellow bell pepper for the sweetness, and yes, you chop your things properly nice and put them aside. And I also have some red bell pepper, yes, flavored, nice, sweet. Yes, so you do that and feel free to eliminate what you do not like, apart from the onions, because guys, the onions are filled with crazy flavor and they are very, very delicious. And yes, this recipe is a liver and onion dry fry kind of thing. So yes, I have my garlic there. I used 4 garlic cloves and ginger there. So yes, you do that and put them aside. So after 1 hour, I actually went a bit more, but yes, from 1 hour it's okay. I cut out my pieces, as you can see. Now feel free to use any shape. You're not limited to shape. You just play with your food and you'll see how good it turns out and you will have fun with it. Yes, so after cutting, I still soaked it in milk as I now start my cooking, as the liver still gets more time in the milk. So in my hot pan, I added in oil. When the oil was ready, I then went in with the liver. So I sieved it straight from the milk to this. I cooked on a medium high heat so that, you know, it doesn't brown. So yes, please at this point go in with that salt because you want the salt to cook with the liver. Yes, as you can see. Hey, so now please remember that liver doesn't cook for so long, so it's always better that you have everything that you need there before you start cooking the liver. So as soon as you see, you give it like 2 minutes and then you add in your things when that juice is still there because you don't want it to dry out. I added in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I added in a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of turmeric. I want these flavors to bond. Oh yeah, before I add in my last thing. So I put this last because I need to serve them when you can still feel a bite of everything. That's why it went last. It goes last. So yes, those are cloves and ginger paste. I grated them. You can mash them. Yes, I also now add in my onions. I give it a bit of quick stir. This doesn't take long. I also added in my red bell peppers and yellow peppers. I also give these ones a quick stir. Now for liver, you need about 10 minutes to cook. You need about 10 minutes to cook. You can either go even less according to how you like your liver. I added in some dry herbs there, some basil, some parsley, and some thyme to our, those flavors. And so I added in cornmeal in there and a Royco cube, or you can use a stock cube, just one. And be cautious with the salt. Be cautious with the salt. You keep testing and you see if the salt is enough. God bless you all, guys. Thank you so much. Ciao.